visit San Antonio, Texas, and really be right here in the Riverwalk area at someone else's expense. Have somebody pay you to actually come here, to come to San Antonio and enjoy life, but also work, then certainly consider a job as a travel nurse. And so as a travel nurse, you'll get the opportunity to travel where you want, when you want, how you want, and have them pay for it. And so if you're looking for that opportunity, you gotta first get past the TEAS test. The TEAS test is an exam that's going to help you to get accepted into nursing school. And so if you're looking for that opportunity to really get past the TEAS test, get out of just the day-to-day life of not doing what you want to do, but certainly get to the point where you can actually do what you love to do, which is travel and eat at great restaurants, then definitely give me a call. Because I can help you get past the TEAS test, and help you get into nursing school, but also help you get past those pesky prerequisite classes, right? General chemistry, general biology, anatomy, and physiology. I help all my students get past those classes. So if you're looking for the opportunity to really take your life to the next level and certainly be a travel nurse, then don't wait. Definitely get to the next level with your ADN or your BSN. What I always tell my students is definitely start with the ADN. It's the opportunity to become a registered nurse, get into the hospital, and start working your craft, and get the hospital to pay for you to get your BSN, by the way. They didn't know that, right? And so you have the opportunity to be right here in San Antonio and taking river rides just like this.